Bears behind the line, starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
It is our first qualification match here at Belleville Yacht Club Field. We have 2 of our 3 blue robots moving, 2 of our 3, actually all 3 of our red robots. Bees are on the docking station. 3604, that's the Goon Squad, is engaged. And we go into our teleoperated period with a score of 24-23. Bees have a game piece in their possession as they try to score over in the red community. Meanwhile, Goon Squad shoots high and scores high, and they are picking up some of those free game elements in the middle of the field and continuing to score on the blue side. Meanwhile, the Killer Bees, using that unique swerve drive that they have, grab another game piece, they score low. As our blue robots work some defense out in the middle of the field, that's one of our rookies, 9211. That's the Underdogs. They're also trying to move some game pieces around, as is 8224. The Bear Bots also doing some defense out in the middle of our field. We've got less than a minute left. Less than a minute left in this one, and we are very close game for our first match here at Belleville, with a score of 55-57. And we are getting close to our end game period. We've got 2 links on red, 1 link on blue. And at 30 seconds, it is the end game period. This is where robots can line up, and oh, the Bees are down. Let's see if their teammates can get up, and they right themselves as they get on the charge station. Red working at being engaged, and they are. And we have 2 blue robots up engaged with 3 seconds left. Thank you, teams, for an awesome first qualification match here. Score of 85-84. Red Alliance brings home 3 ranking points. Blue brings home 1.